In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail account in Facebook. Adding your Gmail to Facebook is a smart move for account recovery, login flexibility, and getting important notifications in the right inbox. I'll walk you through each screen and share a few tips so nothing trips you up along the way. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. On the home screen, look toward the top right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. Depending on your device, this menu might appear at the bottom, but the icon looks the same. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy and tap it to expand the options. Then tap Settings. This opens a page with different sections that control your account. Look for Personal Details, sometimes labeled Personal Information, and tap it. If you see another Personal Details screen within that section, tap it again to drill down to the right place. Next, open Contact Info. This is where your phone numbers and email addresses live. At the bottom of this page, tap Add Email. You'll see a field where you can type your Gmail address. Enter it carefully, double checking for typos. Even a small mistake can prevent the verification message from arriving. Once you've entered your Gmail, tap Next. Facebook will guide you through the on-screen steps to confirm the new address. Usually, this means they'll send a verification code to the Gmail you just added. Open your Gmail app or webmail, look for the Facebook message, and copy the code. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or promotions folders. Return to Facebook and paste the code to complete the verification. After verification, your Gmail will be linked to your account. Depending on your setup, you may be asked whether you want to make this your primary email. Your primary email is where most important notifications go and what you can use to log in. Choose the option that suits you best. You can keep multiple emails on file for backup and remove old ones later if needed. If the menu labels look slightly different, update your app to the latest version and try again. If the code never arrives, confirm the address you typed is correct, remove any extra spaces, and request a new code. And that's it. You've successfully added your Gmail to Facebook, making your account more secure and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need to follow along step by step.